Get you the updates that are now coming in of that civic apathy as far as last week's incident where 3 students drowned in old Rajendra Nagar coaching institute. Now, the matter that has been heard in the Delhi High Court, the court which has questioned the number of arrests and the intention by the police. However, at the time when the High Court has asked the police not to arrest innocent citizens, and even when it comes to bizarre explanation that has been given by the Delhi police, as they say, that the probe was carried out under stress, as a lot of pressure that was also being built upon when it comes to the deaths and in the manner in which that these deaths were reported in Delhi's old Rajendra Nagar area, and of course the kind of limelight that had also been shared when it comes to this entire incident that has been reported, and the police in a way suggesting that police has been trying to blame the media because of the pressure that has been built on them to carry out certain arrests. We have Akansha with us right now. Akansha, how is the court taking up the matter, because it seems to be pulling up every agency, including that of the Delhi police as well?
Well, absolutely. Delhi High Court is currently hearing a PIL seeking formation of a high-level committee to probe the Rajendra Nagar incident. Today, present at the court is MCD Commissioner and also the concerned DCP as well as the IO. First and foremost, Delhi High Court pulled up the MCD, going on to say that they have no respect of law. In fact, there is no respect of law by your department. This has gone too far. This cannot happen. And asking if the portion of the drain was in fact clogged, then why did MCD officials were not aware about it? After that, the Delhi High Court also pulled up the Delhi police, asking why they have still not questioned the MCD officials, going on to also say that there seems to be a brotherly love between them, and some government agencies have gone beyond the law, is what Delhi High Court said, and also going on to say that that mercifully Delhi police did not challan the water. This comment comes after Delhi police arrested the SUV driver who went past that road, in fact, and in fact there were charges of culpable homicide on him. Taking a drive at Delhi police, Delhi High Court said that that fortunately Delhi police did not challan the water. This is how Delhi High Court slammed the MCD and the Delhi police. This hearing is still underway in Delhi High Court, but in this hearing, most importantly, the judge hinted that they wish to, in fact, transfer this case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Let it be supervised by the Central Vigilance Commission.
That's a big revelation that is now coming in, as far as seeking that if the CBI could directly intervene in this entire case is also concerned, in a way suggesting, as far as Delhi police is concerned,